Welcome to this video, and I will be talking about how to create a YouTube thumbnail with AI. We're using our ChatGPT, right? We're using ChatGPT. Okay, how to create a YouTube thumbnail. So here we are. This is our ChatGPT app, right? So all I need to do, I'll come to GPTs. I'll type in image generator and I will search for it. So when I search for image generator, I will choose a specific image generator in the GPTs in ChatGPT. This one in red, image generator logo art. So I'll click on it. So now I want to generate, I'll click on start chat. I want to generate a thumbnail, right? Let's say I did a video on how to be effective in decision making. So let's see how to be effective in decision making, right? So now I'm going to prompt to say I want give me a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, for the video titled now or not this, how, what did I even say, how to be effective in decision making, right? So this is the video. The AI now knows that this is the video. Now you now say I want a best hyper realistic design, okay, that will make viewers click, not just click and watch my videos. Okay, now it's also important for you to specify the kind of video, because when you're doing YouTube, for example, you have the long form video and the short form video. So you're going to say my YouTube video, maybe let's say put it in brackets, long form. Now even without specifying that, it knows, because if you see thumbnail, but it's very good you specify that. Okay, I can decide to say for the video title, for the long form video title, for the long form video titled, right? So the AI will now know that okay, you are dealing with a long form video, right? So I'll now send. Okay, now it knows the thumbnail. The AI knows how thumbnails, the size, the dimensions are, right? So it's going to give you something closely related to that size. One of the things is that you still need to go and rework on it on your Canva. So it's going to be giving you something very amazing. Now, just as I always used to say, how you prompt matters a lot. Your input determines your output in generating anything on AI, right? So the better, the detailed your information, the detailed your prompting, the more detailed your results, the more detailed your output, right? So that's how basic it is. Okay, so if you are designing, if you want to do your YouTube thumbnail, AI can help you do it better and faster, way easier, right? So all you need to do is to understand how you prompt and you are good to go. So you just hold on for this to generate, and once it has generated, you go and readjust it on Canva app, and how's how to go about it. So you want me to mentor you on your Amazon KDP, you want me to mentor you on Faceless YouTube channel, going to mentor you in YouTube, faceless TikTok. Good. So you can see our design is ready. This is perfect. This is perfect. So you see how to be effective in decision making. This is cool, right? So you can see in split of seconds we have generated our thumbnail. It's not crappy. This is well presentable. All I need to do now is to click on save, right? On save. And once I save it, my image is saved. Then I'll take this image to my Canva app and go and work on it, right? So this is how easy it is to create your thumbnail with AI. See you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, share these videos, and do well to comment where you are having challenge. I can come in and mentor you for a fee, and you grow on the go.